They say there is no such thing as too much chocolate, but today we are testing that theory. Welcome back to the bakery. Before we dive into the science of the crunch, hit that subscribe button and like this video to help us grow our culinary community. Precision is everything. We start with 300 grams of premium cocoa cereal. Incorporate 150 grams of unsalted butter, melted at 40 degrees Celsius. This fat binds the cereal, so it doesn't crumble when we cut it later. Mix until every grain is glistening. Now, press this into your lined pan. Use significant pressure, about 10 pounds of force, to create a dense structural base. If you find these measurements helpful, make sure to share this video with a friend who loves to bake. For our chocolate cream layer, we are making a stable ganache. Heat 500 milliliters of heavy cream, ensure it has at least 35% milk fat, to exactly 82 degrees Celsius. This temperature is critical for a smooth emulsion without scorching the dairy. Pour that hot cream over 400 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Let it sit for 2 minutes to soften the cocoa solids, then whisk from the center out. We want a glossy, homogeneous texture. Comment below if you prefer milk or dark chocolate in your ganache. Pour the cream over your base. Use an offset spatula to level the surface. We are going to refrigerate this at 4 degrees Celsius for at least 4 hours. This resting period allows the fat molecules to crystallize, providing that perfect bite we're looking for. For the final shell, melt 200 grams of 70% dark chocolate with 30 milliliters of coconut oil. The oil lowers the melting point, ensuring the shell snaps but doesn't shatter when you bite in. Temper this to 32 degrees Celsius for the perfect shine. Pour your tempered chocolate over the chilled cream. Tilt the pan quickly to cover every corner. This creates a triple-layer chocolate barrier. This technique is what separates home cooks from professional pastry chefs. Don't forget to like this video if you're learning something new. After a final 60-minute chill, use a knife dipped in hot water to slice through. The heat helps glide through the hardened shell without cracking it. Look at those distinct layers, the crunch, the silk, and the snap. A true triple chocolate overload. Technical perfection meets pure indulgence. If you mastered this crunch, subscribe for more deep dive bakery tutorials. Share your progress in the comments and send this to a fellow foodie. Thanks for baking with me. See you in the next lesson.